That was my. I think I had this hard drive. I don't know if that's the problem, but I'll clean the entire thing. So I'm about to go in the sink really quickly, and I hope I won't drop it. Okay. I hope I will. Okay. Let's see what I can fix that problem. Okay. So I will be putting this on this thing here as well. And put water on this thing. Here we go. So I had this toothpick now to clean these spots that I had for years. Okay, let me clean. I have to clean the dust. Okay. And now cleaning everything because I had these dusts. So I'm gonna have to go to. How am I going to get rid of all? I don't know how am I going to get rid of all of them. Clean the entire Jesus. So I will okay, so I'm just cleaning these ones that I had these like since I had 2012, but it was abandoned. So I got the old one and we gave it in 2017. I know, and we got the new one in 2023, but I'm just not the way I'm every day. I'm not a good person. Because everything knows that. Alright, now we go put the. How the fuck are we supposed to? Okay, so I'm gonna be seeing if they work. I cleaned all the inside. So. Here's my house tour. Here's the cord I'm gonna put in. So I don't know if I should work. So I have another phone, but don't tell you where I have to see what's inside. And this screen is always the best. Right, so you may really think that these are some dust that you might not know because no one don't eventually know these are flashlights. Because you had these, this is, I don't know what to do about these, but I'll put in, I'll tell you the fair issue, okay? So I turn off the light, now, I turn to the back of the hard drive now. I'm gonna fix this issue. Okay, so I'm gonna there we go. Definitely it's working. So I'm gonna go test it out.